Regular diagnostics are essential, as early detection of issues can prevent hard drive failure and ensure the reliability of your storage device. Go to the search bar and type cmd. Enter this command. Wait for it to process and show status. Status OK means there is nothing wrong with the hard drive. Status bad, caution, or unknown means your hard drive may have potential errors. Once you suspect that your hard drive is failing, you'd better back up your data. This ensures that you don't lose any important files or documents in case of a hard drive failure. Next, I'll show you how to back up the files with this free tool. If you find it useful, please download it in the description. Install and open this tool. Follow Backup, Disk Backup. Select the failing hard drive and another healthy hard drive to save the backup image. If you want to schedule backup, you can customize the frequency, choosing between daily, weekly, or monthly backups, or triggering backups based on specific events or USB drive connections. Utilizing the backup scheme feature is advisable, as it automatically manages outdated backup files, freeing up valuable storage space. In the last step, click Start Backup to process this backup task. Now that you've identified whether your hard drive is failing, it's time to address the situation. Solution 1. Update the hard drive. Choose Device Manager from the Start menu. Select the target drive from the Disk Drives option. Lastly, tap Update Driver. Search automatically for updated driver software. Solution 2. Scan for viruses and threats. Choose Virus and Threat Protection scan options. Select a scan type from this list. Choose Full Scan is the best choice for that matter. Click Scan now. Solution 3. Scan and repair using Disk Check. Right-click on the target drive and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab and click on Check under the Error Checking section. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.